Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Here we speak in very simple English, slow and clear, so you can learn easily.
No difficult grammar,
No complex vocabulary.
just natural, daily life English conversation.
And in today's episode, we'll talk about something every English learner feels your English weaknesses.
Your English weaknesses. Don't worry, we all have weaknesses.
Yes, even we do.
So, Alex, what are your English weaknesses?
Oh, many. Sometimes grammar, sometimes pronunciation, sometimes confidence, and sometimes everything together.
Same. Some days my English is perfect, and some days my English takes a holiday. My biggest weakness is forgetting words in the middle of speaking. One moment I'm confident, next moment I'm like, what's that word? Wait, think. Oh no.
Yes, it happens to me too. I start speaking strongly, but then my brain suddenly freezes, like someone pressed the pause button.
And then we start speaking slowly, hoping the word will magically come back.
But it doesn't. Another weakness is translating. My brain thinks in my language first, then translates to English, and then speaks. Process equals slow and confusing.
Same. Sometimes translation creates funny sentences. Like one time I said, my brain is not waking up.
Yes, English becomes comedy.
Alex, do you make grammar mistakes?
Of course, everyone does. Sometimes I mess up tenses, like I go yesterday or I am went.
Same. Teacher inside my head screams, but mouth still says wrong things. I get shy sometimes, especially when speaking in front of people.
Yes, English fear is real. We think people will judge us, laugh at us, or correct us.
But actually, nobody cares.
Exactly. Everyone is busy with their own mistakes.
Another weakness is consistency. I practice 2 days, then skip 4 days.
Same. Motivation jumps like a kangaroo, sometimes high, sometimes gone. Pronunciation is also a weakness. Some English words are just impossible.
Yes, comfortable, choir, vegetable. What are these words?
English spelling and English sound are from different planets.
When people speak too fast or use long sentences, my brain becomes like, repeat slowly, please. I'm not ready.
Same. Native speakers speak at rocket speed. My ears hear English, but my brain hears static noise.
Okay, listeners, repeat after us.
I have English weaknesses.
It's normal and okay.
I forget words sometimes.
I make grammar mistakes.
I try to practice every day.
I am improving slowly. Great job!
Why weaknesses are not bad?
Weaknesses show what we need to work on.
Yes, weaknesses are not problems, they are directions.
You learn more when you notice your weaknesses.
And step by step, weakness becomes strength.
Alex, do you ever forget words while speaking English?
All the time. I start a sentence confidently, like, I want to say, and then my brain says, goodbye.
Yes. Sometimes I know the word. I know it, but it disappears at the wrong time.
Then I start explaining the word like, you know, that thing, that small thing used for, and the listener gets confused.
Exactly. But forgetting words is normal. Our mind needs more practice. Another weakness is translating everything in our head. Native language, English. English, native language.
Yes, translation takes time, and speaking becomes slow.
And sometimes translation becomes funny.
Like when I wanted to say, don't take tension, I said, don't take pressure on your mind, body, heart, soul.
Alex, that is next level translation. Grammar is another weakness. Tenses, prepositions, sentence structure.
Yes, past tense, present tense, future tense. Sometimes my brain mixes all three, and I say something like, I go yesterday and I will going again tomorrow.
Same. But speaking is more important than grammar perfection.
Exactly. Grammar improves naturally with practice.
Consistency is also a weakness. Some days we practice a lot. Some days we practice nothing.
Yes, English is like exercise. If you stop, your fluency becomes weak.
True. Even 10 minutes a day is enough if you do it regularly.
Small practice, big improvement.
Many people fear making mistakes. That fear stops them from speaking.
Yes, we think, what if I sound wrong? What if someone laughs? What if I make a mistake?
But actually, mistakes help us learn faster.
Yes, mistakes are teachers, not enemies.
Another weakness is comparison. We compare our English with others.
Yes, someone speaks fast. Someone uses big words. Someone sounds confident.
And we think we are not good enough.
But everyone learns at their own speed. Comparison kills confidence. Practice builds confidence. Hmm. How to turn weaknesses into strengths.
Start small. Speak small sentences. Read simple content. Write short thoughts.
Yes, don't push yourself too much. Improve step by step.
Focus on progress, not perfection.
And celebrate small improvements.
Your weaknesses don't define you.
They simply show your starting point.
Every strong English speaker once had the same weaknesses.
Yes, everyone begins small. Everyone grows slowly.
Believe in your journey. You are improving.
Okay, Alex, this episode felt very real and honest.
Yes, everyone has English weaknesses, and that's okay.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Keep learning, keep improving, and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Bye!
Bye!